When harvesting root vegetables, our instinct is to clean them thoroughly before eating. But did you know that these veggies carry more than just nutrition? The soil clinging to their roots is packed with beneficial microbes that can enhance your garden's growth. Instead of discarding this valuable resource, you can harness its power to create a natural garden booster. As you pull vegetables from the soil, small amounts of dirt come with them. This soil is teeming with beneficial microbes essential for plant health. Many people wash their harvest in the sink, allowing these valuable microbes to flow away. Instead, try this simple method to retain and reuse them. Fill a clean bucket with non-chlorinated water. Chlorine can kill the beneficial microbes. Use this water to wash your freshly harvested vegetables. As you clean off the soil, the microbes mix into the water, creating a nutrient-rich solution your plants will love. Now, you have microbe-rich water. You could use it as is, but there's a way to make it even more potent. Take any vegetable scraps you don't plan to eat, such as carrot tops, radish leaves, or outer cabbage leaves, and chop them up. Add these scraps to the bucket. This step increases the nutrient content of the liquid while ensuring nothing goes to waste. Once everything is mixed, cover the bucket with a lid, leaving it slightly to allow airflow. Oxygen is essential for fermentation. Place the bucket in a shaded, undisturbed spot and let it sit for about 7 days. During this time, the microbes break down the vegetable scraps, creating a nutrient-dense liquid fertilizer. After a week, your homemade fertilizer is ready to use. If you're not applying it immediately, store it in the same container. Before using, dilute it at a ratio of 1 part liquid fertilizer to 10 parts water. This prevents overwhelming your plants while ensuring they receive optimal nutrients. To apply, pour the diluted solution directly onto the soil around your plants, or use it as a foliar spray for an extra nutrient boost. You'll soon notice healthier plants, faster growth, and potentially larger harvests. This method recycles nutrients, making your garden more sustainable and efficient. So, next time you harvest root vegetables, remember that they're not just food for your table. They're also a gift for your garden. Rather than washing them in the sink, follow this simple process to capture the power of microbes and turn your vegetable scraps into liquid gold for your plants. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tricks and ideas. There's always something new to learn, and together we can make our gardens thrive.